Hi everybody, Toni here from Pasta Academy. I'll be making today the traditional Sardinian pasta, the Malloreddus, Maccarrones, the busa, and maybe some Lorighittas as well. Okay, it's pretty traditional Sardinian pasta. Simple ingredients. We need the semola flour, water, and salt. So what I do is I put the semola in my mixer. I'm making a little bit, so I don't need a big machine, so I'm doing by hand. Okay, I put a little bit of half a spoon of salt and just some water. And then you can put it on the table, like a fountain, the typical fountain. Otherwise, you can put it in a dish and just slowly work with your hands as you would with a this is the traditional Sardinian pasta. That's where I'm from. And the Malloreddus and the Maccarrones and the busa, they are the better known in my area. More common in the East Coast, but they are made all over the island. Semola is the one we use the most in Sardinia for our pasta making. Obviously there is the other one, the 00 flour, but semola is the most popular one in Sardinia. Okay, now you need good hands, and you got to work it for about 10-15 minutes until the dough becomes nice and smooth and absorbs all the water, and the gluten starts to kind of work. You got to work with the palm of your hands. For about 10-15 minutes. The pasta's rested now for more than half an hour. So let's try to make the Malloreddus. The Malloreddus first. Because you got to make a kind of long strip of pasta. Your palms of your hands. As in thin stripe of pasta. And then we're going to cut it in small. More like in gnocchetti. Then I've got this little tool which is specific for you go to roll it with a kind of a line, and the key is the shape of the Malloreddus. Obviously this riga, we call it, gives a bit of a shape. Also is good because the sauce absorbs the sauce when they are cooked. also in Sardinian, because obviously Sardinia is a region of Italy. We speak our own kind of language, our own dialect. They're called Maccarone di Punzu, which translated means pasta made with your fists. Okay. But with this dough, you can make obviously this is the basic dough. You can make Malloreddus. You can make a Maccarone di busa, which I'll be doing in a minute. You can make Orecchiette, which is from a different, another different region in the south of Italy. Cavatelli, and so on. There is different, which depends which region you are in Italy. They make different shapes of pasta. Basic ingredients generally they are the same: semola flour, water, and a bit of salt. I mean, you can put a couple of eggs if you like, give a bit more flavor, but the traditional recipe is just the semola and the water. Okay, so this they are your Malloreddus, yeah? Yes. Okay. Making the Malloreddus and the Maccarone di busa. Okay, you got the metal you make a kind of hollow spaghetti. Around this
rolling the pasta along the wire.
Yep, along the wire.
Which will make a hole through the middle of the pasta.
They're called Maccarone di busa. Also making another typical Sardinian pasta, which is called Lorighittas. They are from a small town, Morgongiori, in Sardinia. It's only very regional, even in Sardinia. So the same dough, you roll it very, very thin, as you can see. And then what you do is you roll it around your fingers. You make it 2 circles, and then you kind of roll it again, and you put it in a tray to dry. Let's do another one. So it's the same kind of dough. You roll it really, really thin, as thin as you can, without breaking it, obviously. Count your 3 fingers. And then you kind of to make a kind of a plate. And that is the Lorighittas. Okay, so you got the Malloreddus, yeah, the Maccarone di busa, and you got the Lorighittas. Okay, the Malloreddus, obviously they are typical Sardinian sauces. They all go with the Sardinian pastas. The Malloreddus normally traditionally served with sauce of Sardinian sausages, the tomato and the pecorino. Maccarone di busa, again, they can be with tomato, pecorino and basil, and but they can also be served with they're very popular with seafood sauce, so like say mussels, clams, prawns. The Maccarone di busa, they're very versatile. And the Lorighittas, they're traditionally served in kind of again meaty ragu, maybe mainly chicken, tomato, basil and pecorino. Okay, they are the traditional 3 of the traditional pastas from Sardinia. We've got lots more, which you probably will do them in another video. Okay? This is Toni from Pasta Academy. If you like the video, put a like and maybe share with your friends. Thank you very much.